Hi guys! Today I'm gonna be talking about self-introduction speech in Japanese for job interview. You will learn about what is considered as important in Japan during a job interview for self-introduction, how you will be asked by the interviewer, what is basic structure of a good self-introduction, and practical examples what we native speaker would say. If you want those examples in text, please visit our website. You will find the link of our blog below. Firstly, let's get through the key factors. Impression happens quickly. It's decided by the first 10 seconds. The length of a self-introduction should be from 1 to 5 minutes. The standard would be 3 minutes, and the maximum is 5 minutes. Take care that your speech is well constructed and following Kisho Tenketsu. Kisho Tenketsu is a dramatic structure and development of traditional Japanese narratives. Ki means introduction, sho means development, ten is twist, and ketsu is conclusion. So it is basically regarded as well structured in Japan as long as your story is following Kisho Tenketsu, whatever you explain. How will you be asked by the interviewer? 自己紹介してください or 自己 PR してください. The rough translation for both sentences are please introduce yourself, but what interviewer expects from you to answer is slightly different. 自己 PR is so-called Japanglish, which actually means self-promotion or self-advertisement. So if you are asked 自己 PR してください, then your interviewer wants you to talk about skills that contributes the company you would like to work for. So you can spend 1 minute more than when you asked by interviewer 自己紹介してください. Now let's check the flow of a self-introduction. The first, introduction comment such as name and showing thanks for the taking time. Second, personal introduction. Third, educational background. Fourth, career background. Fifth, motivation for the application post. Then your turn is over. The interviewer will ask you further questions. There are some tips when you talk about achievement and skills. What interviewer wants to know is your strength in that job field. And the more concrete you can explain about your result, the more convincing, which means number and comparison should be included. ここ5年間の実績は対前年 100% 程度で常に伸び悩んでおりましたが、新しいボーナスプログラムを提案し導入したことで今年の売上を対前年 120% まで伸ばすことができました。You also need to talk about contents that can be utilized for the new post. Just telling what you achieved is a block. So tell them how you can utilize your skill and ability for the new post you are applying for. さまざまなウェブプラットフォーム上でのアンケートを実施、結果を分析してきました。今回は商品企画という職種へのチャレンジですが、幅広い調査の知識、分析から施策を実行する力は十分に活かせると考えています。Last but not least, we'd like to give you a demonstration of full self-introduction so that you can grasp how it looks like. 本日は面接のお時間をいただきましてありがとうございます。改めまして自己紹介いたします。私、ジャスティン・ガルシアと申します。年齢は32歳で、出身はフィリピンのマニラです。大学では経済学を専攻しており、2年時に東京大学に留学しました。日本語に関してはその時に習得していて、現在も勉強を継続しております。その他、学生時代は体育会系のサッカー部に所属していました。卒業後は ABC 株式会社に営業職として入社し、主に家電製品の関西圏の代理店営業も含む新規開拓営業を5年担当していました。営業時代は2年目までは飛び込み営業中心で芳しい成績ではありませんでしたが、3年目からは最初の2年で訪問した先を分析し、ポテンシャルが高い企業を選んだ上で提案内容や訪問ルートなどを見直し、4年目からは個人予算を平均して前年比 30% で達成しています。今回の記者募集求人はこれまで取り扱ってきたものと類似製品群で、仕様についてもある程度理解できますし、現職と違い 海外市場での販路拡大を目指している部分で当方の希望と合致する職種ですので、大変興味を持ち応募いたしました。以上で簡単に自己紹介になります。本日はどうぞよろしくお願いいたします。